Hi, I'm SB, your market analyst. For this week, previous weeks, I gave some market analysis, and you guys saw how it went. And maybe for about a week and some now, I have not been able to reach out to you because I've been trying to fix some other stuffs like the classes I told you about, the topics I said I'll be treating. I've been trying to put things together to see how I can drop those things here so that it can be very useful to everyone. So this morning I am on the I'll be going to the daily chart so that I can show you something. I'll quickly show you something so that you can see a better structure. Although when I make a video on market structure, you'll understand better. Okay, so I had to quickly draw this structure. I will do a quick explanation of this structure drawn here so that we can look at the chart. Okay, so you can see the market has been bearish. Is a downward move, an upward move, and a downward move, and an IDM is created here. So an IDM is created here, that is inducement. And in my videos, in my subsequent videos, I will tell you more about inducement, because in a market, inducement needs to be taken out so I can think of either the buy or sell direction. So this is inducement, and price went down this way. Now price touched the OB here, mitigated the OB here. There's an OB here. After when price took out this inducement, this was an inducement created. So price took out this inducement. Okay, we are expecting price to close below this order block, and then price came to mitigate the order block. Okay, so price took out the inducement here, and the price came down to mitigate the order block because we were expecting it to close below it. It did not close. If it has closed below it, we should be thinking of a break of structure, but in this case it didn't close below it. Instead, price went above the order high created. Price mitigated the order block and went above the order high created and mitigated an upward and order block. There was an order block at the top, and now price is coming down. I had to use blue and red. This is what has actually happened in the blue part. Now the red part is what is happening now. Price is now coming down to mitigate this daily order block here, a D1 order block. So if price mitigates this order block, then we should be taking a buy, and we'll be targeting, there's another point we'll be targeting just above, but we'll target above this OB because this OB is already mitigated. So now let's quickly go into the chart. You can see, let's look at this chart. This is the D1 chart. You can see price went down this way, went up, came down. It created an order block here, that is this one we are talking about, and went down, went up again, created an IDM, which is the inducement, and went down. There was a point I drew here before on the weekly that got mitigated, and price went above the IDM. Now price came down to mitigate this unmitigated shadow, and price went up again to mitigate the OB above, and our price is coming down to mitigate the OB that has been created. So we'll be taking our buy from here. However, in this market situation, we are looking at two sides of the market. We're looking at both buy and a sell. So one thing we have to look out for is, if we are looking for a buy, we'll be waiting at this very OB, this very order block, before we take our buy. Now if we are looking for a sell, we'll quickly go to the M15. So take note that if you're looking for a buy, you take a buy from this order block. There's a point here, you can see it looks as if it's a kind of dark blue. There's an order block there on the H1 that you can take when price tap on it. Okay, so let's look at the M15. Let's look at the M15 quickly and see what we can do concerning the sell. Okay, sorry. Okay, so like as I was saying that if price comes to this zone that is marked yellow, we are looking for a buy. But currently, if we want to look out for a sell, we should be looking at this point, because this is at a POI, that is point of interest. I have taken my time, looked out for it, and on the M15, on the H1, and I have seen that there is an unmitigated POI there that needs to be mitigated. Also, when I checked on the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour, I was able to mark out something. This is the 4-hour time frame, and if you watch price went this way and went this other way to create an IDM before coming down to mitigate something here. This actually, this thing you're seeing here that price is responding to is on the H1. So I don't bother taking that, because I am hoping to take a better buy at this OB here, this yellow part. Okay, so now the on the H4, price has created IDM here. IDM. Price has created IDM. Yeah, hold on. Let me. Okay, sorry, a call came into my phone. So price has created IDM at the point where I used a green line, a green horizontal line. That is where the IDM is. So what we do is we are waiting for that IDM to be taken out. And if you check very well on our M15, you will see that our POI is close to the IDM. You can see this is our POI, and you'll see the IDM at the top. So we'll wait for this POI to be mitigated and this IDM to be taken out. When there is a sweep of this IDM, now we'll now look for a better sell, and we'll have to sell by then. So I am also only giving you these to mark out and see how price reacts to it. So at this point, we'll be taking a sell, and our target will be about 130 pips. That will be our target. So let's wait for price to get there. When price get there, I'll also make an entry. I will do another video and show you how I made my entry, and we'll see what's possible. So keep looking at my channel, because I'll be dropping more videos. I will do more lectures on how you can identify this IDM, POI, and the rest of them I've been mentioning, so that we can be taking trades together. So what you do now is subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop subsequent videos. I'm so sorry for not dropping videos for over a week now. I was busy actually attending to something which will benefit you. So feel free and be looking at this, and if you have any different idea about this analysis, you can still inbox me. You can comment in the comment section and tell me your opinion about this, and we'll look at it together. I'm always there to attend to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.